Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to all the respected people, respected parents and all my dear students. Possibly I can say that this announcement is one of the most important announcements that I have made till now. All the respected people, I have written something here, report reading. Now report reading 2019-20. From last many days we are getting constant requests from parents as well as from students. Actually we have already declared the result on 25th of March, but it was online result and in that it was indicated only pass or pending. The percentage, subject wise marks and everything we have not given yet. It means report card we have not given yet. So keeping in mind the constant request of the parents, students as well as now government has also issued the notification regarding the admission process of 1 to 9, standard 1st to standard 9 admission process the school can start. So based on all these things, now report cards are required, result is required, actual result is required. So the school management has taken a decision to arrange the report reading session for the students for class 8, 9 and 11 previous year 2019-20. It means the students who are right now in 9th standard, their 8th standard result. The students who are right now in 10th standard, their 9th standard result. And students who are right now in 12th standard, their 11th standard result. So school finally has taken a decision that the result should be given to the students right now as per the government notification also and as per the requirement of the parents and students also. So now school will have the report reading session on 12th and 13th of June. I repeat my lines again, 12th and 13th of June 2020, the report reading session will be there for class 8, 9 and 11 previous year. Now my humble request to the parents especially to keep in mind following points which I am going to explain you right now. Now who will come on 12th June and who will come on 13th June? 12th June is a Friday and 13th June is a Saturday. So who will come on 12th and who will come on 13th? I am explaining you right now. On 12th June, first of all, the time will be 8:30 to 11:30. Report reading session time 8:30 to 11:30, 3 hours. Now 8:30 to 9:30, roll number 1 to 5. Class 8, class 9, class 11, all the students roll number 1 to 5 will come during 8:30 to 9:30. My humble request to the parents, please come during this time only. We want complete social distance, so we are calling less number of people at a time. So 8:30 to 9:30, 1 to 5, then 9:30 to 10:30, 6 to 10, roll numbers. Then 10:30 to 11:30, 11 to 15. So total 15 students will come on 12th June. On 13th June, 13th June will be Saturday. The time will be 8 o'clock to 1 o'clock. 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now, who will come in this duration? Listen, 8 to 9, then 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, and 12 to 1. Now, here 15 roll number was there, so it starts here from 16 to 20, 20 to 25, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, and then 35 and remaining. I hope you got it. 8 to 9, 16 to 20 roll numbers, 9 to 10, 21 to 15, 10 to 11, 26 to 20, 30 roll numbers, 11 to 12, 31 to 35 roll numbers, and 12 to 1, 35, and remaining. It may be 36, 37, 40, 41, 42, whatever roll numbers will be there, that will be 12 to 1 on 13th June. So this is on 13th June and this is on 12th June. Now few instructions are there from the management side which I would like to share with you. My humble request to the parents as well as to the students, please follow this. First thing, only parents are allowed. Students are completely not allowed. Students in any case not allowed to come to the school, only parents are allowed. Second thing I would like to say, in parents also only one person is allowed, either mother or father. Now by chance if the parents are busy or maybe in containment area, and if parents wants to send someone on their behalf, most welcome, but elder member should be there and only one person should be there. Mask is compulsory when you come to the school, as it is compulsory outside also. Social distancing is also compulsory. My humble request to the parents, come to the school, go to the class, take the result, and my humble request to go back to your destination. Please avoid the groupism. One more request to the parents especially, the result will be declared in the own class of the student which they had last year. But because the students will not be there with you, so our few teachers will be there. Different areas we will give them. So they will give you the guidance. हमारी एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, पेरेंट्स को आना है और पेरेंट्स में भी एक सिंगल ही कोई आएंगे, या तो मदर या तो फादर. स्टूडेंट्स बिल्कुल अलाउड नहीं है, स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं आना है. और पेरेंट्स जो आएंगे, एक जो आएंगे वो क्लास में आके रिजल्ट लेके अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे जहां पे उनको जाना है वहां पे वापस इमीडिएटली जाएंगे. यहाँ पे ग्रुपिज्म नहीं कर सकते. मास्क कंपलसरी है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कंपलसरी है एज पर द नॉर्म्स एंड एज पर द सेफ्टी पर्पस. और एक बात यहाँ पे, वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर, व्हेन द पेरेंट्स और मींस वन पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू कम द रिजल्ट, टेक द रिजल्ट, Vasila get will be allowed for the secondary section. Secondary section means that from class 8, 9 and 11. Vasila get you have seen. So entry and exit of the secondary section is from Vasila side gate. And for primary section it is main gates. Main gates means आगे जो गेट है पार्किंग एरिया में वहां से वो आएंगे. तो क्या है कि क्राउड ना हो, ग्रुपिज्म ना हो, पार्किंग का इश्यू ना हो. वन मोर थिंग, जो भी आ रहे हैं रिजल्ट लेने के लिए, इफ दे आर कमिंग बाय स्कूटर और बाय मोटरसाइकिल, इट इज वेरी गुड. क्यों? आप डायरेक्टली एंट्री लेंगे स्कूल के अंदर. बाइक हो या मोटरसाइकिल हो तो बेटर रहेगा, आपको डायरेक्ट अंदर तक एंट्री दी जाएगी. पार्किंग यहाँ पे हम लोग फैसिलिटी देंगे. आप रिजल्ट देंगे इमीडिएटली अब घर वापस जा सकते हैं, या काम जहां पे भी आप है वहां पे वापस जा सकते हैं. तो बेटर टू कम बाय मोटरसाइकिल और बाय स्कूटर. और एक बात, वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, अगर आपका more than one child, if you have in Matliwala public school, maybe your one child is in 8th standard and one maybe in 5th or 6th standard, so parents can come on any one day. ऐसा नहीं कि 2 बार 2 दिन आने की जरूरत है. अगर आपका बच्चा अलग अलग क्लासेस में है, एक से ज्यादा बच्चे माटलीवाला स्कूल में है, तो आप एक ही दिन में सारे बच्चों का रिजल्ट ले सकते हैं और रिजल्ट लेके जा सकते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने रिजल्ट रिलेटेड सारी फैसिलिटीज आपको दी है. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग भी हमने माइंड में रखा है, इसीलिए 1 आवर में हमने सिर्फ 5 पेरेंट्स को ही बुलाया. और 5 पेरेंट्स भी नहीं, 5 पर्सन, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स में भी एक ही आएंगे. सो वी हैव केप्ट ऑल द थिंग्स इन आवर माइंड. सो माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू द पेरेंट्स, on 12th of June and on 13th of June we have kept the report reading session for the students. We will give you the report card. And one more humble request to the parents, it is our duty just to give you suggestion also, and whatever your problems are there, we have to sort out that also, no doubt. But if you have more, if you want more time to discuss, if you want more suggestions from the teachers, please just take another day. I mean to say that you just give your name and contact number. On any other day from the school, the call will come to you. You can come for the discussion purpose. Yes, if you have a small discussion of 2-3 minutes, we can do, no doubt. But for long discussion, my humble request, it is our duty, we know, but on a separate day we will call you for the discussion purpose. So you can come on that day also. So we will have a very good, small, safe, secure and a satisfactory report reading on 12th of June and 13th of June. For any other purpose or for any query, you can contact the school during the office hours. Hope for the best. Thank you very much and have a very good day. Safe and secure life. Thank you.